Hey guys, this is Digital Deepak here. And in this video, I want to show you how the Digital Deepak internship platform works. Watching this video, you can understand how to submit the assignments and how to earn money. And if you have any questions at all, we are here to help at support@pixeltrack.com. So today we have a user and um, here Garima is going to go ahead and sign up as an intern. So basically I'm going to guide her through the steps so you can see how she's going through the steps and learn how the entire platform works. So Garima, you can go ahead and sign up. And usually what happens is that when students make the payment for the internship program, there is a transaction ID for InstaMojo or Razorpay. But in this case, I will just give you a sample transaction ID and you can enter that. But rest of the details, you can go ahead and start filling. So make sure that your UPI ID is accurate. So transaction ID, I'm sending you in chat. Put the transaction ID. So now that you have signed up, please go ahead and check your phone and check your UPI or if you have received your payment via UPI. For the sign up bonus, you should have received 200 rupees. Garima, let me know if you have received the bonus.
Yes, I have.
Fantastic. Amazing. So now that you have logged in into the system, you got a 200 rupees bonus just for signing up into the system. So now the class one is available inside the login. What you are supposed to do is that submit the assignment for class one. And right now, the only way we are accepting assignments is via PDF document. So you need to upload the PDF document, but in the PDF document, we need the link in which you have published your article. So go ahead and open a Google Drive link. Just open Google Drive and create a Google Doc. All right. So here you can just put the link of an article, but obviously since this is a test and you don't actually have an article published, you can just put let me give you a URL. So maybe you can put that link. So students are supposed to go ahead and publish an article. So I have shared the link with you on the chat box. Go ahead and put it, copy paste it, and just put it on the Word doc. And you can maybe write something that you can say that you have published the article on the blog. The article is published on the blog or something. All right. So now go ahead and export. Export it as a PDF. You can go to File. So actually you can rename the document. You can rename the document as Garima-assignment. All right. So now go ahead and upload this file on the dashboard. So I will show you how it works. Go to the yeah, click on upload. So that's it. So now your assignment is pending approval and it is waiting for review. And let me see if I am able to go ahead and approve your assignment from the backend. All right, so your assignment has been received and I'm going to approve the assignment. So the assignment is approved. Now go ahead and refresh the page. So yeah, now it says the assignment has been approved. And please check if you have received the first assignment payment, which is 1,100 rupees.
Got it.
Fantastic, amazing. So thanks a lot for participating in this user test. And I'm glad that the system is working as expected.
You're welcome, Deepak. This was fantastic.